Hello YouTube, this is the fourth video of our tutorial, and we will connect our instance to a domain via Elastic IP that we created previously. Before moving on, please make sure that you copied the Elastic IP address. Then, open the service navigation page by clicking the services button on top left. In this page, we need to find route 53. You can either find it via typing route 53 in the search engine, or you can scroll down to locate networking and content delivery tab and find it among the links underneath. Here I use the latter method and click route 53. In this page, as you can see, I already have a domain and it is hosted in Amazon. However, if you do not have a domain, you can search and register it using the register domain field. For example, I type here an exemplary domain name. And if I click check button, it will take me to another page where I can see if it's available, or it will suggest me another extension such as .net or .io instead of .com. Since buying a domain is not part of this tutorial, I will assume you already have a domain and continue by clicking the hosted zones link either in the dashboard left or under the DNS management tab. Your hosted domain will appear here. I will click my domain pandapera.com. In the hosted zone details, you will see a set of records automatically created by Amazon. For a new record, we need to click orange Create Record button. Here you should see a set of routing policies available. It is also possible that you see the Quick Create Record page. I am going to use the previous version, and you can also move to that page via the Switch to Wizard link. Here we select Simple Routing and click Next. And then we click Define Simple Record. Here you can define different subdomains, but we just type 3 Ws. After that we click Choose Endpoint and select the first option, IP address. Just under it we paste or type the Elastic IP address. We leave the record type as A type and TTL 300 seconds. To move on, click Define Simple Record, and if everything is correct, just click Create. Now we have successfully created a record that links our domain to our instance via the Elastic IP address. This was the last setup that we needed in Amazon website. In the next video, we will be using Linux terminal and organize our instance.